Alright guys, day 3000, having a chicken army. Let's go feed. Buck, 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 buck. Say buck, 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 buck. Say we crowd the porch when we're ready. Where'd everybody go? I had half an army. Buck, buck. Buck, buck. Where's everybody at? Hopper's here, so I know the coop's open. Where's everybody at? My dude here, of course, fighting my other dude, Junior. He's the leader, but Trax messed him up. Oh, you did! Oh, Hopper, what the fuck was that, man? He bit the shit out of me. That's because I was holding this food container, but dang, Hopper. He said, feed me and stop talking, dude. He said, come on, my guy. We don't do this talking stuff. Give him some chicken food, some popcorn. They like some popcorn. Maybe I got half of that on video. Maybe I just got the sky. I don't know. But we will find out. We got eggs. I hear them coming. Hey, baby, you heard daddy? You heard your daddy? Oh, they're my little babies. Quincy and Homie. Run, Homie. He's got a piece of popcorn. Homie's that little black one with a piece of popcorn. And this Bunny. Pretty boy. There's Quincy. Goodness, you know. I don't know. You done grew up. Oh, here comes everybody. What's up? That's Pretty boy, too. I think I'm going to call him Thing 1 and Thing 2. Pretty cool. Hey, girlies. I see y'all down there. Y'all were next. Hold on. Gotta check the coop. Make sure nothing went down here last night. You never know. Oh, we got some eggs. And we're going to have some more, right, baby? You gonna pop another one out? I'll come back.